Another cool thing to put into some cranes are going to be some ducks. These can also go at the redemption counter as well. Obviously, these are not going to be play-to-win ducks because these are a lot bigger than the little play-to-win ducks. This is a custom duck you're only going to be able to get with A&A Global here.
Right.
It's like
Rainbow splash tie-dye. We've also got some animal pattern. We have a lot of really unique ducks.
Awesome. Let's talk candy.
Let's talk candy.
Let's talk candy. The ICEE brand is a super popular brand. If you have an ICEE machine in your facility, you know how popular it is with kids. We have our own candy company here at A&A, and so we have ICEE brand exclusive, also with Dippin' Dots and some others as well. But those ICEE brand candies go really do very, very well at your redemption counter. We have things like the Sour Bites, Mix It Up. We have some of the little dippers, which is kind of like Fun Dip. Dippin' Dots, this I love. It's a sucker that you dip into this little cup of Dippin' Dots, and then you stick it in your mouth. You have all the Dippin' Dot flavors in there. So
we have the ICEE spray, regular and sour. We've got a squeeze. We also have slush puppy products.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
These are new. These are really popular. These are candy powder tubes, but what's cool about them is the top is resealable, which is unique for these kind of tubes.
Exactly. So if you don't
Great price points on all of our candy, by the way.
Yep, you should have a ton of candy at your redemption counter. When I ran a redemption counter, it was almost 30% of everything that went out of our redemption counter was candy. So we had low end, high end, everything you need. And again, all you have to do is go to our website, click on candy, and you will see a wide array of different candy options. So.
Right. ZURU Sparkle Girls. This is a great alternative to your Barbie dolls, which we also have, but these are at some great price points, and the girls love them.
Yeah, very cost effective. Same thing with this. It's the Mossy Oak ping pong popper gun. Obviously, Nerf guns are going to do very well. X shots are going to do very well. This is a cost effective boy toy to have out on the redemption wall. We also have some electronics here. We've got the Air Vibe Boost wireless headphones. Again, another cost-effective electronic to have on your wall. The box and packaging looks really, really slick and expensive. So it looks like you have a really nice toy there at the redemption counter. Pickleball, super popular right now.
So popular.
Yes, as we're going into spring, this is going to be something that you're going to want on your wall. I love the packaging of this as well. You got 2 paddles, you got some balls in there for some pickleball, and everybody is playing pickleball. So. And last but not least, we've got some electronics when it comes to drones. The new Sonic movie was just announced during the Super Bowl, so you want to make sure we've got a